All right, Gary, let's go for a ride in this really cool 68 Mustang Coupe. It's got kind of like a little Shelby theme going on. Nowhere close to a Shelby, but it looks good. It's got white with the blue stripes, metallic stripes, nice paint. Pretty good performance stuff on here. It's got a 302 with an overdrive transmission so you can cruise on the freeway.
Yep, healthy shift kit.
355 gears in the back, positraction with a locker. Got traction bars, it says in the ad, so it sticks. We put some brand new BF Goodrich CA radials on it. It's got the early Americans on there, the cast centers. They look really nice on here, 15-inch, nothing too crazy, too modern looking. It's got that old school look. Everything's pretty stock inside except for the stereo. Got a tack down there.
That's not stock? Oh, I'm just...
You kidding me? It's CDs in 68.
Yeah.
It's got power steering, power disc brakes up front. Got a pretty solid shift. That shift kit.
Oh yeah. It's healthy. Nice car.
It's got a nice interior with the suede inserts. Don't step on my blue suede inserts.
Yeah, that's it.
A lot of fun to drive this car though, and pretty affordable too. It's about half the price of a fastback these days.
Oh yeah, fastbacks are way up there.
Yep. So we'll go up here in a second here and take some pictures.
All right, check out this 1968 Ford Mustang. Pretty nice. It's got a 302 in it that's been built up with a cam, Holley carburetor, headers. Runs really good. It's got a AOD transmission with a shift kit, so it shifts pretty kind of hard, but I mean it's good for performance. And it's got 355 positraction rear end with a locker system in it. So it's, you know, it's set up to, you know, drive, and it's got traction bars on it. Underneath, you can't really see them from here, but that keeps, you know, the Mustangs have a tendency to hop around in the back because they're so light, so that kind of takes care of that issue. And it's got Americans on it with the flat caps, and they kind of went with a little Shelby theme here, you know, got the stripes going on, and you know, the little hood scoop on the hood, and pretty nice. It's a California type car. You can see by the plates there, WWB, you know. So this thing's probably been in California all its life. I'm going to show you the interior on this car, so let me get around there. It's got like suede inserts in the seats to make it comfortable for summer. Got the kind of the racing type seat belts there, about 3 inches thick. There's the back interior part. It's pretty nice. And then everything else is pretty stock in there. Got a Grant wheel. Stereo's not stock obviously, but you know, it's nice to have good tunes. Really nice car, carpet's nice on it. Guy put, you know, some effort into this car. Paint's in good shape. So we're gonna go ahead and show you the engine on this and have you take a listen. You'll like the way it sounds. All right, here's the power plant here. Nice little small block 302. Got a Holley carb, like I said earlier. I think it's a 650. Electronic ignition. You can see back there, it's got power brakes and their front disc, of course. And you got power steering, so you know, it makes it nice to drive. Engine sounds really good. It's got a set of headers on there. So we're gonna go ahead and fire this thing up. Take a listen. Yeah, sounds good. Nice and quiet up here, but we're gonna go ahead and listen to the back and let you hear that exhaust note. Yeah, you can hear that cam in there. Fun car to drive. It looks great. We got this car available here at California Cars. We're located in Simi Valley. Phone number is 818-591-1313. You can speak to Rich or Gary, and we'd be more than happy to show you this car. Nice car.